Welcome to MarineMax Rogers here in Minnesota. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Behind me is the 2022 Nautique G25 Paragon. We're first going to take a peek at the exterior of this boat, and then we'll take a peek on the interior, okay? So starting off, on the exterior, you'll see you have the jet black metal flake. It really shines, it really pops, it looks awesome. You have the white Chromax here. As we move back, you're going to see you have a nice jet black hull bottom with a mystic white hull rear. Looks really good. It's a cool contrast. Up towards the tower here, so you have the 3-stage vertically actuating tower, so it goes up and down. You have this big framework up top. That's for the bimini top, so it gives you lots of shade in the sunshine. You have the standard Nautique strapless board racks on the Paragon. Also, this tower does come standard on the Paragon. You have your gas cap up here, it's on both sides. You have your wake subs back here, which is an option only for the Paragon. Really gives the rider, so the wake surfer or wakeboarder, the ability to feel more immersed in the sound that you're listening to on the boat. As we move back here, you have a nice swim platform cover that you can get really on any Nautique. But you know, it's snowing here in Minnesota today, so it's keeping the snow off. Down below, you have your standard Nautique surf pipe. Your Nautique's integrated steering assist, so it's integrated to the steering wheel, and you can also use it manual with the encoded rotary dial. So you have some different options there. You have underwater lights. Your NSS, so your Nautique surf system, is right here. Your NCRS, Nautique configurable running surface, is right here. Looking up here, you have your transom seats that you can sit in. Very comfortable. As we move in, I will show you the big loungers that the Paragon has to offer, which many people love, including myself. You have a nice 3-step to the interior of this boat, so it's really comfortable as far as hopping up into the boat, and we'll kind of go over that as well. But that was the exterior. Now let's take a peek at the interior. Welcome to the interior of the G25 Paragon. As you can see, I am sitting in this very, very comfortable lounger. This is a really cool option only for the Paragon. It's standard, but it's a great way to relax and enjoy the back end of the boat when you're anchored, have a drink, talk to friends. It's a really cool feature they added, only on the Paragon, like I said. But these are the nice big loungers. As I get up here, underneath that little hatch there is actually an integrated cooler, so you can have drinks there, and it does drain down into the bilge area. As we walk in here, so we have this is the anthracite sea deck that you have on this particular Paragon. You have the tungsten primary interior color, as you can see here. I think it's by far one of my favorite interior colors. But as we walk in here, the steps down are just incredible as far as it being very easy. It's not hard on your joints. It's spaced out very well. But looking in the interior, look at this just beautiful, very well done interior. As far as the fit and finishes, as far as the stitching goes, it's incredible. You have the enhanced courtesy lighting package that you see that's lit up right now that can be changed to any color that you want to. You have your wake view bench here that does slide out like so. It's got different stages. There's 1, 2, and 3. It lifts up like this. Now you can view your riders while they're surfing or wakeboarding. Closes up very easy. Slides right back down just like that, right into place. Super slick, super easy. Underneath this hatch I'm standing on, there's also an integrated cooler. A really cool feature that Nautique does is that on their coolers they have matching sea deck to match the boat sea deck that it has, with a matching Chromax of the interior. It's super cool. I think it's a little unique feature that they do. As you open up all these seats, they're on supported hinges. The insides are all finished out very nicely with sea deck. So you get a very good feeling of a complete package in this boat as far as it all being just finished out and well taken care of and well done. Close these up. Looking at the tower. So again, we have the standard Nautique strapless board racks that they do swivel in and out. Moving up on the tower, you have these special speaker housings up here. These house 2 8.8 JL speakers. So there's 2 speakers in these housings. So there's 4 total up on this tower. Produces lots of sound. So you get a really good audio system in this boat. Again, this big framework here for the bimini canvas. As we move forward once again, we'll move over here. on the passenger side, so you have heated seats. Underneath here, you're gonna have more storage as well. A trash can that you see. In the walkway, you have trash can access. Super easy to toss things right into the garbage bin there. It makes it easy for everybody. Again, they have a recessed glove box here. Great for visibility. Lots of storage in there. You have a JL head unit in there as well as some charging ports and some ports for music. This is where you see you do have the passenger heater in there as well. Moving forward into the bow here, an incredibly spacious bow. And again, enhanced courtesy lighting package. You have cup holders up top. There's some USB ports as well. You have your armrests here. Super comfortable. Now these bow filler cushions here can be flipped over to the SeaDeck side if you so choose to. That way you can walk directly out of the boat. Now let's go take a peek at the helm here and show you where all the action happens. So this is the helm of the G25 Paragon. You'll see the seat is a race car inspired seat. It's got that bolstering through the midsection and through your thighs. Keep it nice and snug in the boat, but it's also got a cutout, which I think is fantastic. Moving over to the screens here, on the left you have a link pan array, and on the right you have a link pan array. The link pan array on the left is going to display all your vital information, and it stays like that. You can't change it. It's just going to display all your vital information that you want to see quickly. On the right side is where you can scroll through different pages, look at different options to choose, whether it's your NSS settings, whether it's your lighting settings, all that stuff. That's where you can play with, customize, and really look through that link pan array screen and what it has to offer. Over on the right side here, you have your nice armrest here with the encoded rotary dial and your hotkeys around it. Okay, you have your throttle, steering wheel, and then to control either the engine hatch or the tower, these are where your buttons are. So these buttons control the actuating engine hatch that comes up and the actuating tower. It's a really cool Paragon. It's designed super well. The color scheme is really cool. It's not going to last long, let's put it that way. If you guys are at all interested or have any questions about this boat or want to come in and view it, it's at our MarineMax Rogers location. Give us a call, come on in. We'd love to help you out and love to show you around. So with that being said, thank you and have a great rest of your day.